Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this HUAWEI. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Biometrics and Password. Then click on Lock Screen Password and click on Change Unlock Method. Now tap on the best option for you by clicking on it. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. In my case, pattern. Now create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. After that, select Done at the top right corner. If you want to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. I will go with Cancel though. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!